Hello Happy Souls, this is my third restoration project, this time with Suzuki Samurai. We are an unboxing with handlebar switch and wiring harness. And let's begin with the switch gears, and this is from Minda, an Indian manufacturer, and they say that they are the number one automotive manufacturer for switch gears in India, and it is a Delhi based company. I have previously used this switches, the quality is good, and this switch is for the RH side switch, that is engine kill switch. It is common for Suzuki Samurai, Shogun and Shaolin, and for the Max R100, my previous first restoration project, it comes with the indicator on the right hand side. And this is a switch gear, and it has only the on off, that is engine kill switch, and it has only one wire. I don't know how it's gonna work, and this is how it looks like. The quality looks good, and you can see the price is little high, that is 249 for this single switch alone. This is 2024 Jan pricing, and it may vary depending upon the seller. And this is from Swiss Auto Private Limited, which we already bought for the Suzuki Max 100, and the pricing is like 610 rupees. This is common with Samurai, Shaolin and Shogun. I know Shogun, and inside it is same, the previous package which we saw, it looks same, and our only difference is when compared to the Max R100, and this one is, I think, the engine kill switch wiring will vary. Let's see how it looks inside. This is the entire packing. The part number and other spec details are mentioned, that is to which these parts are common and other things. Shogun and Samurai. And this is the front part, and we can see the headlight and other things are there, and this is the mid one, and we can see the wiring is there or not for the engine kill switch, and the color code will match the switch gears. Actually this one is with red and black, and let's take the switch gear. You can see the wiring, this color matches this one, and the pin is also matching, so this is for the Samurai one. We can confirm it like this, and this entire thing, that's all for this video. I see you in another video.